Hello guys, today is December 31, 2025. Happy New Year to everyone. Wish you the best, wish you good health, more blessings to come. And today is we are preparing for our New Year's celebration. So, and welcome 2026. My wish for 2026 is more blessings and magkaroon ng maraming pera, magkaroon ng stable na work, and good health din. And suportahan ko din yung pamilya ko financially, masuportahan ko sila, tulungan ko sila, mabigyan ko sila ng pera na gusto nila, di ba? Kasi money is life, di ba? So yun, ayan yung gagamitin namin mamaya. Dito ako nakaupo. So, Happy New Year guys! Welcome 2026!